Do you know that the discovery of DNA's structure is one of the most important scientific breakthroughs of the 20th century? But how did scientists figure it out? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating journey of discovery, the key scientists involved, and the experiments that led to the double helix model of DNA. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that carries the genetic instructions for life. But in the early 20th century, scientists didn't know what it looked like or how it worked. In the 1940s and 1950s, scientists like Erwin Chargaff and Linus Pauling were studying DNA, but it was Rosalind Franklin, Maurice Wilkins, James Watson, and Francis Crick who finally cracked the code. Rosalind Franklin, a brilliant chemist, used a technique called X-ray diffraction to study DNA. Her famous photo 51 revealed a clear X-ray pattern that suggested a helical structure. Franklin's X-ray diffraction experiments provided the first clear evidence that DNA had a helical structure. Her work was groundbreaking, though she didn't receive full credit at the time. Her colleague Maurice Wilkins shared her work with Watson and Crick, which became crucial to their model. Determination of the DNA structure would not have been possible without another biochemist's work. Erwin Chargaff and his associates used paper chromatography to separate DNA, getting individual nucleotides to analyze. They found the amounts of adenine and thymine, and cytosine and guanine, were always equal in DNA, suggesting that adenine pairs with thymine and cytosine pairs with guanine. This was a key clue for Watson and Crick. Watson and Crick used Franklin's data and Chargaff's rules to build a physical model of DNA in 1953. Their double helix model showed how the bases paired up and how the molecule could replicate. After Watson and Crick proposed their model, other scientists conducted experiments to verify it. For example, Matthew Meselson and Franklin Stahl's famous experiment in 1958 confirmed that DNA replicates in a semi-conservative manner, just as the double helix model predicted. Later advancements in X-ray crystallography and, more recently, cryo-electron microscopy, have allowed scientists to see DNA in even greater detail, confirming the accuracy of the double helix model. The discovery of DNA's structure revolutionized biology. It paved the way for understanding how genes work, how traits are inherited, and how diseases can be treated. In 1962, Watson, Crick, and Wilkins were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for their discovery. Sadly, Rosalind Franklin had passed away by then and was not eligible for the prize. So, the discovery of DNA's structure was a team effort, involving brilliant minds and groundbreaking experiments. From Franklin's X-ray images to Watson and Crick's model, it's a story of collaboration, curiosity, and perseverance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from the world of science.